Hello and welcome, fellow YouTubers. And in today's episode, we have restored Specialized Globe. I have this bike some time ago, but was in extremely bad condition, without wheels and missing parts and damage and everything. So it'll take me a little while for restoration, and that's the result. As you can see, the bike is back to life. I have to build wheels because there was not available with this bike. I put some second-hand rims and with spokes and hubs, which one I have available in the workshop. I'll build those wheels. There are 36 spokes lathed on 3 crosses. Front is quick release, rear one is bolted, and that's how the Specialized looks like now. If you want to check how that was before, you have to go back a couple episodes back. I'm pretty happy with the end of the results. I tried to build this bike with second-hand parts, which one I have available to avoid spending extra costs, but few parts was necessary, like brake blocks, cables, saddle and handlebar grips. Most of the stuff is refurbished and restored. It takes a little bit of time and lots of work to bring him back. Bike, which one was that far gone, like this one. At the moment, setup with this bike is on V-brakes, mechanical V-brakes of course, 7-speed at the back and 3 at the front. This is aluminium frame with aluminium fork on 700 wheels, so it's pretty light and fast bike. Also is aluminium seat post, stem and handlebar. If you like this sort of if you like that sort of stuff, please like and subscribe. And see you guys in next episode. At the moment, I'm trying to working on vintage Riley, which one is sitting in the shed for a little while and didn't have enough time. I was take a focus on this Specialized to finished. Yeah. Happy cycling and see you next time. Please like and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. Goodbye.